Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the detailed process of replacing the screen on your Dell Latitude 7440. Ensure you have all the necessary tools ready before we begin. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for dusting off components. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Start by powering off your laptop completely and disconnecting all cables. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage. Next, gently close the lid and place the laptop face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 8 screws holding the panel in place. Carefully store them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious around the edges to prevent breaking any clips. After removing the back cover, locate the battery. Disconnect it by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. This step is essential to ensure that no power is running through the device while you work. Now, locate the screen assembly. You will see a series of screws that hold the screen in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Remember to keep track of these screws as well, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect the display cable from the motherboard. This cable is usually secured by a small adhesive, so gently lift it with your spudger to avoid damaging it. If you're uncomfortable doing this, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. With the screen fully detached, you can now prepare the new screen. Before installing it, take a moment to clean the area with your microfiber cloth to ensure there's no dust or debris. This will help you achieve a better fit and finish. Now, connect the new screen's display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Once connected, align the screen with the hinges and gently press it into place. Replace the screws that hold the screen assembly, ensuring each screw is tightened adequately but not over-tightened. Next, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. This step is crucial, as it restores power to your device. Before sealing the back cover, double-check that everything is connected properly. If you're unsure, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can be informed of the costs up front. Finally, reattach the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Replace all screws on the back panel securely. To conclude, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the screen on your Dell Latitude 7440. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us for assistance, as we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.